Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI for the first time users. So basically type Perplexity AI in your browser and make sure that you basically go navigate towards the official website. You could just go ahead. Let me go back to show you, right? Just type right here Perplexity, right? And then you're gonna be able right here to see like the home page, right? And then ask questions, right? So basically type your question in the search bar, like what are the benefits of renewable energy, and then check the validity of the research, right? Let's have an example: most expensive fossil on display. You're gonna see the resources from here. Just go ahead and type the sources to just deep dive on that topic, and then ask a follow-up question, right? Ask related or follow-up questions to build on your understanding, like what is the most efficient renewable, for example, fossil on display. Okay, and explore additional features, like use related questions right here, the feature, if you scroll a little bit down to see the suggestions to ask a follow-up question. And then this next step, which is optional, you could just go ahead and sign up by clicking right here the sign up button. You're gonna find it somewhere at the bottom right. I've already logged in, so basically I won't be able to see that option. But if you're new, you're gonna be able to see sign in or sign up option at the bottom right, and you're gonna be able to sign up using your Google, Apple, or SSO, or sign in with email. So tips for beginners: be clear and specific in your question for better results. Double check the sources if you're using the information for important work. Start exploring. Perplexity AI makes learning easy. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.